Hello, hello. I told Marley to meet me here in the cabbage patch because it's looking so good, fresh this morning. I thought I'd chat a little bit about companion planting and looking at the plants that we're growing here for our winter season. So we have glorious kale, all frilly over here, and a great companion for all the brassicas, that's cabbages, broccoli, all the rest, are strong scented herbs. So here we have the coriander that's already gone in flower, and these fabulous little umbelliferous little umbrellas are the most excellent platforms for the predatory insects. I think coriander, parsley, celery, they work really well with the cabbages, and also you can see here it's been almost like a good filler for while the plants are small, just to cover it up so that they can then, by the time the cabbages get really big, you can pull these out already. But I quite like it when these start producing the little seeds we can use. So it's really nice to mingle the good buddies together and keep those that are a little bit antagonistic a little further afield. Happy planting!